What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Douglas M, and today I'll be reviewing my new phone, cell phone charger. It's called a Bright Charge Rapid 2.1 amp home travel wall charger adapter, and it comes with a 6-foot micro USB. I got it at Amazon for $11.99. I got this to I work at home, and sometimes at night I forget to charge my phone. I have a Samsung S5, and it holds the charge pretty good. I mean, I can go a whole day. If I charge my phone overnight to 100%, I mean, I can go a whole day without charging it to the next morning. But of course, the next day, you know, my charger will be, the battery life would be probably like, 20%, 15%. So I figured I'd get this and put it by my workstation, and this is a rapid charge. So this is supposed to charge your phone much faster than the charger that your phone originally came with from, whatever, from the factory. So we're gonna charge my phone up for about 30 minutes. Oh, and also I wanted to show you, this is the micro USB. But unfortunately, with my Samsung S5, it uses this type of charger. It could use the regular micro USB, but I'm gonna try it first with the charger that my phone came with. It wasn't a micro USB. So a micro USB can fit in the S5, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, enough of me rambling. Let me get. All right, so we got this. I'm gonna plug in my, plug it in here. Boom. All right, this is my phone. What do we got? All right, so we're at, let me see, 16%. So it's 252. We're gonna put it on for 30 minutes and see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. See if we get any juice here. Come on. All right. Does say it's charging. So I'll be back in about 30 minutes to see if this thing works. Oh, and one other thing. This is what it looks like while it's charging. It's got that bright red. See, I'll unplug it. It turns off. When I plug it back in, it does that. So just FYI. And just so you know I'm not cheating, it's 253. So we're going to start from now. All right. I'll be back. All right. 323. And we are at, what is that? 39%. That's not good. That's sort of a fail right there. Well, it's not over yet. Stay with me, guys. What I'm gonna do now is, so let's see, where were we at? We started at 17% at the start of this video, I think, right? 17. So, not much. It didn't go up too much. So this charger right now, the only thing I will say, the charger that I have right here is a generic charger that I bought from eBay a while ago. So it's not, at least this is not my original charger. So what I'm gonna do for the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna change the wire. Take this out. Plug that out. And I'm gonna use the wire that the Bright charger came with. This thicker. It is, no, it's not thicker than it, but it feels more heavy duty than the wire that I got from eBay. So for the next 30 minutes, so where are we at now? I'll wait till 320. Oh, this has a light. The heck? Huh. That's weird. All right. Well, it's 325, so let me put this thing in. If I can, which way to go? I don't want to damage anything. Let's see. Alright, I finally got it in. I gotta figure out what that light is. That kind of spooked me out, but it's 325. So we're gonna give it another 30 minutes. And let's see where we're at again. We're at 40%. So we'll come back in 30 minutes and see what we got. Alright guys, 30 minutes have passed again. It's 3:55. Where are we at? Can we see? We're at 69%. Oh, said just hit 70. All right, so in 30, so what? In 30 minutes we hit 30. We went up 30%. So, all right. So let me give you the rundown on this. This charger right here is. Wait, let me focus on the charger at this point. All right, this charger is equivalent to my S5 original charger from Samsung. It is faster than any aftermarket charger for the S5 that I've tried. Because my original charger usually charges my phone in about an hour and 20 minutes or something like that. Something like that. I haven't really measured it like that, but I think it's like an hour and 20 minutes and it'll charge my phone from 0 to 100%. So this is fairly close to that. However, I would say if you have a Samsung S4 or 3 or 2 or anything around the S4, this probably would charge your phone in about 45 minutes. But anything after the S5, like for instance the Note 4, I would suggest you, I looked on Amazon, I didn't see anything, a single charger, travel charger that was greater than 2.1 amps. But if you have like a Note 4 or anything after that, I would suggest you do that. I would suggest you look for something like that, or maybe hold off, or just because number one, I think you can get an original, at least on eBay anyway. I think you can get an original charger for your phone, whether it's a Samsung S5 or whatever, for $11.99 or a little bit cheaper, maybe $9, something like that. So I think you can get away with getting an original charge instead of buying this. But again, if you have anything, so if you have a phone that came out in 2013, this would be good. This would be ideal for that particular phone. You'll probably charge it in 40. Anything from 2013 and prior to that, yeah, this would probably charge your phone in 20 minutes, 20 to 45 minutes, depending how old your phone is. Anything after, so what, where are we in? We're in August? No, we're in September. September of 2014. Anything after September, September, October of 14 and later, I really wouldn't suggest this product. Because I would go ahead and instead of getting this, I would just get the original for your phone. The reason why is it really doesn't matter. Every phone has the charger with the breakaway USB. Like, in other words, every charger nowadays comes like this. So you know what I'm saying? So it's really no advantage of having this over original charger if you have a later phone like an S5 or even a Note 4. I think in Note 4 it would be lesser power than probably the original charger. But enough of me talking. That's enough of me rambling. That's my review on the Bright Charge Rapid 2.1 amp home travel charger. If you like it, remember to subscribe. And that's about it. I'm out.